Let's make a chocolate charcuterie board. This no-bake dessert is an easy dessert for a party. Start by getting a large serving board. You'll also need a couple small bowls. Place the bowls on the board anywhere that you like. I like to space them evenly apart. In the first bowl, add in chocolate walnuts. These are organic regenerative chocolate walnuts from a local farm in California. I am obsessed. I will link them in the description as you can buy them online. In the second bowl, add Lake Champlain organic chocolate nonpareils. These are a favorite candy of mine. In the last bowl, add in milk chocolate covered raisins. I will link everything in the description so you know where to find all these organic chocolate candies. Next, I'm filling in the board with dark chocolate covered pretzels, then organic Oreos, which are Newman's Own, and they're basically just organic Oreos but with way better ingredients. Then I'm adding some dried figs. Organic Hershey milk chocolate bars are next, and I just break these into small bite-sized pieces. Next, I'm adding organic peppermint patties, then Theo chocolate organic nutcracker brittle bars. These are so good. I'm just breaking these into little squares and adding to the board. Organic Reese's peanut butter cups are a must, so of course I'm going to add those. Then I'm adding some dried apricots, as I love apricots with chocolate. And last, I'm adding Moo Chocolate's organic dark chocolate salted caramel bars, and I'm just breaking these in half. You can feel free to swap out any of the chocolate bars or candies for other chocolates that you like, but keeping in the theme of the chocolate board. Once your board is full, it's ready to serve. This is such an easy dessert for a party, no baking required, and it's full of organic chocolate goodness. If you want more easy organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.